Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Back in September 2021, Cardano was finally able to break through the $3 mark, reaching its all-time high of $3.09. This was an exciting milestone for the Cardano community, as this young altcoin has steadily held its place in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Cardano is currently the 5th largest crypto, holding a market cap of over $60 billion US. As everyone knows, the crypto market's highly volatile. Any coin's value can decrease or increase at any given time, and it can do so at a crazy percentage. Sometimes we see coins increase in value by 300% or even 1,000% overnight. Considering this, it's definitely impressive to see Cardano remain as one of the largest cryptocurrencies. Cardano's ADA has seen amazing gains in 2021. Back in January, it was only valued at $0.2 per coin and boomed into over $3 in the span of 9 months. As of today, Cardano's price is at $1.94, while the coin continues to trade bearishly. It's not a matter of will Cardano spike back up, but when and how far will it go? This young and rising altcoin has excited investors around the world and has received unparalleled attention this year for all its achievements. Looking at all the growth it's seen since its inception, investors and analysts are confident that the ADA token will reach prices as high as $10, $15, $20, and all the way up to $100. When are we going to see this huge break for the coin? In today's video, we're going to be diving into the price predictions for Cardano and see its path to $100. I know you're all eager to find out what the analysis is saying, but before we get started, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on the world of investing. So there are always price predictions circulating for all coins in the crypto space, but obviously, it's not always going to be 100% right or accurate, especially when there are unforeseen circumstances. This means that price predictions may be lower or higher than the actual price at the given time. Still, price predictions are highly useful for investors because it gives a sort of indication as to whether a coin will have a generally positive or negative trend ahead of it. For Cardano, most price predictions are on the positive side. We are seeing predictions for the ADA token go up as high as $4, $5, and even $8 in the near future. Cardano is definitely about to break out, and we're seeing it on its way up to the double or maybe even triple digit figures. Cardano's ADA actually experienced a huge price swell back in September thanks to all the hype around the long-awaited Alonzo upgrade. The implemented update brought in the smart contract functionalities, which was a feature believed to put Cardano more on par with Ethereum. At the time, there was a crazy bull run for the coin. We see this as the ADA token sped past through the $3 mark, hitting its all-time high of $3.09. Unfortunately for the Cardano community, investors were slightly dismayed at the update and all its hype, and the price of the ADA token has since gone downhill. Cardano's been sitting just below the $2 mark in the past few days. Some of you might look at that as a bad sign, but others might actually see it as a good buying opportunity. It's no secret in the crypto world that Bitcoin's performance is one of the most common indicators as to how the general market will move as well. When Bitcoin goes up or down, other coins typically follow, where in the same day. A couple of weeks, or even up to a month, Bitcoin has seen its fair share of ups and downs in a month, and especially in October. But going over the $60,000 mark, and then back down to $58,000, and as of today, back up to the $63,000 mark. It's all a bit crazy. When Bitcoin peaked at $67,000 in late October, Cardano peaked the same day at $2.2. And when Bitcoin fell back down to the $60,000 mark and below, Cardano dropped below $2. This shows that Cardano is likely to follow Bitcoin's trend. This is exciting news for the Cardano community, as we can expect a price boom for the ADA token when the time comes, which can be actually any day now. Charles Hoskinson, Cardano founder and Ethereum co-founder, continues to take things slow but steady, keeping to a scientific and academic approach in order to maximize quality and security in the long run. The network may be rolling things out and developing things a bit slower than investors want, but the confidence is definitely there in the long-term approach. Right now, over 33 billion ADA tokens are circulating in the market, accounting for over $65 billion in market cap. This is great news, as it shows how confident investors are in the coin as they continue to hold on to their tokens for long-term results. This shows the strong belief in the potential of the coin, and that investors are definitely serious about this crypto asset in the years to come. Cardano's performance this 2021 is a clear indicator that there is a much more sustainable goal in mind than with other coins. We've seen it boom from $0.2 all the way up to $3, and then survive in the worst bear runs this year has seen. there's no panic sell-offs, people continue to believe in the coin, and more tokens continue to be bought. The ADA token is also making its way into becoming more usable and accessible in our day-to-day, which is great for such a young coin. If we really think about it, Cardano's seen massive gains this 2021 alone. What more can we expect in a year, 2, or maybe even 5 years' time? Before we continue, if you're liking this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on the world of investing. Price predictions continue to go around while everyone continues to wait and see what happens to the price of Cardano. Experts and analysis predict that we might see Cardano's price spike up to as much as $3 or $4 after the current cycle. This doesn't sound like too much of a far-fetched idea, considering how much Bitcoin is pumping at the moment. Cardano has definitely been powering through its current resistance quite conservatively, but hopefully we're going to see it bounce back up sooner rather than later. The Cardano community and crypto enthusiasts are confident that the ADA token will see a good price swell before 2022, and with the amount of ADA tokens in circulation, it's no doubt that people continue to hold onto their tokens regardless of their value. The Cardano network has also been busy with several projects in its pipeline, expanding and diversifying its portfolio to a wider range of industries. There was a recent deal announced at the Cardano Summit between Cardano and OASIS Pro Markets, an innovative marketplace and alternative trading system for digital securities. OASIS Pro Markets works to provide democratized financial services across different countries, especially those with less access. Cardano's role is to secure blockchain technologies that maximize transaction speeds, scalability, and security through the entire process. Pat Levechia, the chief executive of OASIS Pro Markets, said that they are very much looking forward to a long-term partnership with Cardano and IOHK, providing democratization of financial services to a variety of countries utilizing our best-in-class technology. This is a huge deal, as it can be scaled up to a government or national level. Once countries are set up with the Cardano OASIS Pro system, they can actually expand their financial dealings to other asset classes. This is definitely a specialized application of blockchain technology to a new space in the financial world, and it's something that can change the lives of millions of users around the world. In other news, it's been revealed about Cardano entering the artificial intelligence space. That's huge because the AI industry is still in its early stages, similar to cryptocurrency. Awakening Health, a joint venture between Singularity Net and Hanson Robotics, developed an AI robot called Grace. The project will be using the Cardano network, while Cardano ensures the highest levels of security, privacy, scalability, and overall performance while maintaining low and stable costs. This is an exciting time for Cardano considering how much it's got going on for itself across industries and in varying levels of scalability. But the bottom line is that more and more users are undoubtedly joining the Cardano network, and at the same time, more and more people are investing in ADA tokens. The future's really bright for Cardano, and it's only a matter of time before the coin booms. Cardano may seem like it's only pulling slowly at the moment, but we can't underestimate the fact that it might suddenly experience a sudden growth one of these days. The crypto market is still highly volatile, yet we've seen many coins experience 300, 500, or even 1,000% growth overnight. In the crypto space, coins are constantly hitting new all-time highs, and the best is always yet to come. Some believe that Cardano might just be a sleeping giant, given that it is a younger coin compared to the leading players Ethereum and Bitcoin. But how far can it grow? When are we going to see it reach $10, $25, or even $100? Will we see this in the next year, 2, or 5? Cardano is a coin that any investor should seriously consider. At its current price, is it a good buying opportunity? Let us know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Well, that's it for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.